Go, 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 go. 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 Push up as far as you can.
Kyle and Harvey are already on the far side of the fence. We're coming in right now.
Hey, John's right here. Jonathan's right here. Jonathan's in that building right there. Yeah. Hey, Jonathan's in the building right there.
Which one? The 3-color?
The turquoise one. The one with only one door. What's wrong?
Where are you at? I'm up on top, up ahead. I'm walking back. That's me.
Come in front. Hold on, I'm gonna try to get up into this position right here.
Sit down.
You see that shit throw right there?
Close.
David, you're on your butt.
Good.
No, hold on. They're going to the barrels. They're heading to the barrels. Hit! Okay.
Alright, let's go. Is this green?
Yeah. Yeah.
By Goliath, this is Team Bravo. Request permission to engage enemy paratroopers and attempt to snatch a grid Papa uniform 259er 119er break. Enemy is unaware of our presence at this time. Over. Solid copy. Hitman 2-3 Echo 5 Foxtrot. This is Hitman 2 Actual. You are approved to engage in 5 mics. 3-1 Delta will be in position to provide flanking support at that time. How copy? Over. 4 Big 3-1 Hitman 2 Actual. Alter your approach and begin a flanking maneuver to the west of map grid Papa uniform 259er 119er break.
Hey, move up trench by trench. Hey, go this way. Go this way. We're gonna move up trench by trench.
Roger, Badger, copies all out. Roger that, Badger.
There's at least 2 guys in the far right beige building. Alright, move up. Get down. You got him?
I don't know, someone's got him out.
Alright.
All Stalker 3 Victors, this is Stalker Actual. Radio check, over. All Stalker 3 Victors, this is Stalker Actual. Roger. 3-1 Bravo, copy. Badger 2-3, no one on our net, over. Unaware at this time, over.
Hey, you guys! Hey! Right there on the little white container. It's on the right of the white container.
Wait, to your left, Jason, to your left.
White container on your right.
The white building. Yeah, I saw him.
There's a guy popping out over here.
Hey guys, watch the white building right there. Right there.
He's trying to.
Soccer 2-2, we have a possible sniper at 10 o'clock. Over. Roger that.
Move up, move up, move up!
You just can't sit here.
5-6-1, this is recon.
I need batteries from the 553.
Stand by for safe line.
Make a push to that back building.
I'm gonna move up to that mound right there first.
Contact to the left.
There's a guy in the doorway! He's down, he's down! Move up, move up! Go, 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 move up! Go, go! Hey, right there! Move up! Push! You see that? Two guys in the car!
Car, no.
Code 2, he's got to go respawn.
Hey! You see a shit ton of guys right there? Kyle! Fuck ton of guys over here, you can take them all out! Move in! Move in!
Let's go, let's go!
Move up!
Go, go!
Move!
Bravo 2, hold your position and stand by for the 6. How copy, over.
Guy in the bus! Guy in the bus? I'm gonna move up. I'm gonna cut over to the other side. Shoot! Put some fire down.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go! Shoot! Shoot! All right, move it! Move it! Move it! Hold fire! Hold fire! Jason, right behind you!